Hello everyone. Today, we are tackling a common issue when working with CocoaPods in your iOS projects, the custom config set in your project warning. This can be a bit confusing, but don't worry. We'll break it down and show you how to resolve it. Let's get started. First, understand what this warning actually means. It appears when CocoaPods detects that you have manually configured build settings in your Xcode project that might conflict with the settings managed by CocoaPods. CocoaPods aims to manage all dependencies and related build settings. Manual modifications can lead to unpredictable behavior or build errors. The warning is CocoaPods' way of saying, "Hey, I see you did something custom. Are you sure about that?" You need to investigate and reconcile these differences to ensure a smooth build process. Now, let's look at the causes. One common cause is directly modifying build settings like framework search paths, library search paths, or compiler flags within your Xcode project's build settings. Another is manipulating linker flags or other build configurations in the build phases section of your target settings. Third, some developers might accidentally add frameworks or libraries directly to their project without using CocoaPods, creating discrepancies. Now, let's discuss the solutions. The first step is to identify the custom configurations. Review your project's build settings carefully. Pay close attention to settings like framework search paths, library search paths, other linker flags, and other C flags. Look for any values that seem unusual or that you don't remember adding. The second step is to integrate your custom settings with CocoaPods. If you have custom configurations that are truly necessary, the best approach is to incorporate them into your podfile. You can use the pod_target_xconfig block in your podfile to specify custom build settings for your targets. This ensures that CocoaPods is aware of these settings and can manage them consistently. For example, you can set framework search paths or compiler flags using this method. The third step is to remove redundant configurations from Xcode. Once you've integrated your custom settings into the podfile, remove the corresponding settings from your Xcode project's build settings. This prevents conflicts and ensures that CocoaPods is the single source of truth for these configurations. Open the project settings, select each target, then select build settings, and search for the setting. The last step is to clean and rebuild your project. After making these changes, clean your Xcode project, Shift+Command+K, and then rebuild it, Command+B. This ensures that all changes are applied correctly. You might also need to run pod install or pod update to update your project's CocoaPods dependencies. That's it. By understanding the custom config set in your project warning and following these steps, you can effectively resolve conflicts and maintain a clean, manageable Xcode project with CocoaPods. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support allows me to create more content like this. Also, consider sharing this video with other developers who might be facing the same issue. Your comments and suggestions are always welcome, so feel free to leave them below.